going on, everybody? We'll get started here soon. Just gonna chill and look at some markets, do some analysis. We'll get going here soon. Just gonna do some analysis on some charts and everything. But right now, just chilling, listening to some good music. But we'll do some analysis here shortly. You guys can all hear, right? The measly amount of people that are in here, you can hear, right? Someone will just type yes or no. Hopefully you can. The measly amount of people that are in here, can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Just say yes or no if you can hear me. There we go. Thank you, Eric. We'll get started here in a minute, just chilling out, listening to some relaxing music. We'll do some analysis here soon. You can hear me? Thanks, brother. Does most people here, do they trade the most people trade the GJ? Is that what most of us do? I don't. That's not what I usually do, but do most people here just trade the GJ for the most part? Most people probably trade mainly the GJ. Yeah, let me pause this again for a second. Yeah, the new EA will be coming out shortly. The new EA will be coming out shortly based on the pattern that I've traded for 18 years. The new EA will be out shortly. I will be giving everyone access to the account that it'll be trading. It'll be a live account that it'll be trading. I'll give you guys access to it. And it's pretty exciting because I think this EA is going to absolutely fucking kill it. It'll be just on the US 30, but it's based on the candle that I trade. And it's been a lot of work because my old partner fucked me, Quinn. So fuck you, Quinn. But the new EA will be out here the next week or so. So be on the lookout for that because then it's just going to take the trades based on the candle that I've traded for 18 years. I won't even have to do a damn thing. It's going to be beautiful. You do a lot of NAS? Okay. Yeah, the EA is going to be just for the US 30, but it's going to be badass. I keep thinking you guys see everything on there. I keep doing all this different stuff, and then you guys can see everything. Let's just talk a little. Let's talk a little bit. I know the music is nice, but let's talk a little bit about the pound yen. We're about to open. The markets are about to open here in another 10 minutes or so. The pound yen is definitely given us the sell signal on the 1 hour time frame, with that wick at the top being longer than the body. We'll see how that opens. There might be a sell situation on the pound yen coming up here in about 15 minutes. We'll see how that opens. You have some key levels here that we want to highlight on the DJ. I think this is actually a more key level that's near term right here. So 162.58 and 161.57. So we'll see how it opens, but there might be an opportunity to sell this back down into the 161.57 range or lower, possibly down into this range down here at the 160.37 area. So we'll see in a few minutes how that opens up. You guys know what the pattern is. If you don't know what the pattern is, then that's your own damn fault, to be honest with you. I have that 13-minute video that I always tell you guys about that I can show you that on my YouTube channel that will go over the pattern, so I don't have to explain it a gazillion times because I don't want to. So, I mean, there's a ton of videos on it on my channel. I don't usually do a lot on my channel. I kind of hate YouTube, but there's a video that was done. It's been a while now. It's 13 minutes long, and I'm trying to see if I can even find it now. It's going to be the only one that's 13 minutes long. But there it is right there. It has the Iron Man pictures on it. Just go view that video right there. That will explain the pattern very simply to you, so I don't have to do it every time I come on here. That's part of the reason I don't like coming on YouTube anymore, because then I have to explain the pattern over and over again. So if you want to see it, that's the video to go view. I wish there was maybe a way you could put that at the top of your videos again. Is there a way to do that where you could actually just put this at the top of your videos? Maybe, I don't know. I have no idea. But that is the one you want to look at. That will explain the strategy completely to you, where I don't have to do it every time we come in here. Again, that's part of the reason I don't like doing this a lot, because I don't like explaining it a million times, to be honest. So that's what we'll look for on the GJ. On gold, I'm stacking long positions on gold just because that's what I like to do. People can trade gold however the hell they want. I don't really care. Do whatever makes you comfortable. But there are a couple of key levels coming up on gold at 1720 area here. That would be the high from September of last year, 2021. And then around July of 2021, you had the 1680 area that it bounced off. So those are going to be some key levels to look for. Typically, currencies bounce off major support or resistance levels, right? They don't bounce off just random areas. So I'll be looking to add to buy positions around that 1720 area or possibly 1680. We'll see. We'll see what happens on gold. I'm still a huge believer in gold over the long run is going to go up, so I don't mind stacking positions and holding them for a while. Oil is dropping. Doesn't make a whole hell of a lot of sense to me why oil is dropping right now, but you got some key levels coming up too on oil. Excuse me. 92.56 is a really, really big level. I would definitely be looking to possibly buy some oil around there, or sell it if it goes higher. I'm not really focused on oil right now until I see a better price. The US 30 is obviously the one I focus on the most, and we had a double top on it today, almost pretty much right there. I still believe the US 30 is going to go down. I think the US economy is in big trouble, so I'm still looking for areas to short it. But again, that doesn't mean we can't buy it as well. But you got to look for the pattern. And you got to look for the pattern. So just go watch that video. It'll tell you what the pattern is, or you can just join my group and the algorithm will do it all for you. That's the nice thing about that. So this account right here, is going to trade the algorithm completely. I'm going to put in the account number and the investor password into here, so that you guys can take a look at this at all times. 204-204-80 is the account number. Do account number. It's Hanko Trade, and then the investor password will be Maui 2023 money. Okay, it's Hanko Trade. So anytime you want to take a look at this, the algorithm we'll be taking all the trades for this account starting in the next couple days. So there's the information on it. You can check it out because I don't bullshit anybody. Okay, there's the password. It's Hanko Trade. The investor password is Maui 2023 money. If you guys want to see how the algorithm is trading, it's just going to trade the US 30. I put around $1,500 in this account just to test it out because I don't believe in testing out on demo crap or back testing. We forward test here because we're not pussies. So we'll see what happens on that. But you guys, there's the information on it. And we'll see how that works. But it's been a lot of hard work. It was working before, then my partner fucked me and took all the files and didn't give me access to my files, so was able to partner up with someone else and get it going again, and completely cut Quinn out so Quinn can fucking kiss my ass. And I'm always gonna find a way to get things done, even though Quinn completely hosed me. So fuck you, Quinn. So that'll be fun.
% of golfers slice, and if you're one of them, there's only one reason why.
So that wasn't hard, was it? That wasn't hard to be transparent. Just say, hey, I'm going to put myself out there. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. No big deal, right? But that's not hard to show people, is it? Is it really hard to show people to get an investor password and an account number and show people live accounts with live trades in them? Is that really that difficult? No, but the reason why people don't do it is because they're pussies. And they hide behind TradingView like pussies. I have nothing to hide. Because I ain't a pussy. If you can't do this, if you can't show this kind of stuff to people, you have no business running a Forex, anything. If you can't show any of this stuff, you have no business running anything. There's Mama. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. So there it is, guys. There's how you do it, because we ain't pussies. Ooh, everything's going up and down now, huh? So there it is. Username and password to that, and we'll see what happens. Anybody have any questions? I'm going to take off here in a minute because my son wants to use the computer. So we'll let him use the computer. Anybody have any questions about any of this? The signals are kicking ass. And again, the signals always kick ass. If you're not a member of the signal group, you should be. You can get a hold of me at Ironman Futures Trading on Instagram. You should be a part of the signal group because the signal group kicks ass. Alright? Signal group, we're 5 for 6 this week, over 300 points. I mean, I tell you guys every week that it's the best signal group out there, but no one fucking pays attention, so I don't really care. Alright, I'm out of here. The wife's home and I want to hang out with her. And don't really care to hang out with everybody else, so we'll talk.